if you ever need a helper.
Hello and welcome to Ad's Transport Vlogs. Today I will be unboxing the train game Sydney version. Someone did a Melbourne version, which someone done a video, which they are showing the cards. And yeah, so this is a Sydney version, so I'll show you the detailed box. So yeah, everything's blank, but there's a couple of titles, especially the numbers. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. This might take a while unboxing, so yeah, so I'll just do a fast motion while music, yeah. Anyways, I'll be unboxing, so I hope you enjoy. Now I will be showing you some cards. Here we have the eastern suburbs and Illawarra trains. Anyways, yeah, I'll just leave them down the bottom. Put some cards down, so I'll show you some different stations. So yeah, this is King's Cross Station, followed by Martin Place Station, Town Hall. This is Central Station. Change for Central Station for suburban trains and intercity and regional trains. Colton Station, Sydenham Station, Wally Creek, Banksia, Hurstville, Como, Sutherland, Engadine, and Waterfall. You can change out Waterfall for services on the south coastline. Caringbah, Cronulla, Bondi Junction. And yeah, these are just 2 trains. I'll figure out the instructions. This is the Cumberland train line, Edmondson Park Station, Glenfield Station, Liverpool Station, Cabramatta, let me do it fast, Fairfield Station, Guildford Station, Harris Park Station, Westmead Station, Pennant Hill Station, Seven Hills, Blacktown, Quakers Hill, Schofields, Vineyard, Windsor, Richmond, and these are the 2 Tangars. Okay, we have Inner West and Leppington, or train you can call. Central again. Circular Quay Station, Stanmore, Lewisham, Ashfield, Burwood, Homebush, Auburn, Clyde Station, Powdermatta, Marylands, Eunora, Canley Vale, Warwick Farm, Casula, Leppington, and yeah, 2 Tangars. I don't know why there's 2, but I think I know how the game works. This is the airport and south trains. So yeah, Lumiere Station, McCoy Fields, Minto, Riverwood, Museum, Green Square, Mascot, Torella, Bexley North, Beverly Hills, Revesby, East Hills, Ingleburn, Campbelltown, MacArthur, Central. So many centrals. 2 Tangars. Okie dokie. And we have a last line, which is the Bankstown line. Well, I don't know where the Tangar... Oh yeah, they're just behind. Dulwich Hill, St. Peter's, Central, Carama, Punchbowl, Campsie, St. James, and Bankstown. 2 Tangars. Alright, perfect. I got 3 more left. There's same Bankstown line, but we have the Northern Lines, Bankstown line, and the North Shore and Western train lines. Here we have Beecroft, Thornley, Hornsby Station, Gordon, Linfield, Artarmon, Wollstonecraft, Milson's Point Station, Normanhurst, Rhodes, Central Station again, Redfern, Strathfield, Concord West, West Ryde, Epping, 2 Tangara trains. I don't know why I'm doing that upside down, but doesn't matter. Marrickville, Canterbury, Lakemba, Bankstown, Birrong, Chester Hill, Lidcombe, Liverpool, and Villawood. 2 Tangaras. Emu Plains, Rooty Hill, East Richmond, Riverston, Wentworthville, Granville, North Sydney, St Leonards, Chatswood, Hymel, Waitara, Barara, Wynyard, Warri, Central, and Mulgrave. Anyway guys, thank you for all watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment down below, and turn notification on. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.